was suffering from acne for over 10 years, and as you can see, my skin was so bad. I even damaged my skin barrier because of different products that I was trying, but nothing was working. I used to go to bed and wake up in the morning, and guess what? A new pimple. If you are like me and you have tried several different things and nothing is working, then this video is for you. In this video, I will talk about 4 different points: my skin type, my acne type, what I was doing wrong, and what finally worked for me. First, let's talk about my skin. I have oily, acne prone skin. When you have oily, acne prone skin, it's more likely that your pores will get clogged due to the sebum production and your dead skin cells. So you're even more prone to acne. Although my current skincare routine has helped a lot in regulating the sebum production. Now let's talk about my acne type. So I used to get cystic acnes, which are very inflamed and painful. They have pus filled in them, and most of the time after the cystic acne, you are left with a scar or a dark spot. If you are suffering with severe acne, I would suggest you should go and see a dermatologist for best results. But sometimes it's very hard to get a good dermatologist which actually understands your problem and actually help with your acne. In my case, I never went to a dermatologist, but I did lots of research on my skin type, on my acne type, and what should I do and what should I not do, which actually helped me today because I never thought that my skin would look like this, like so glowy. Now let's talk about what I was doing wrong. There were so many factors where I went wrong. I was using wrong skincare products. I was using DIY face masks which didn't work for my skin. I was using lots of actives together like retinol, vitamin C, salicylic acid, everything layering together. Whenever it comes to your skin, always remember that less is more. Your skin has natural tendency to heal and to regenerate, to shed old dead cells and to regenerate. So you don't have to be too harsh to your skin. Too much of cleansing also leads to damaged skin barrier, which led to me, I used to cleanse my face a lot because I was thinking that if I wash my face a lot, then sebum production will get better. But of course that didn't happen. That actually damaged my skin barrier. I also noticed that my skin would get worse when I ate products with lots of sugar and lots of dairy products and deep fried products. Now let's talk about what I did that worked for me. The skincare routine that actually helped multiple issues of my skin. It helped with my acne, my dark spots, my texture, with my pores, and with my damaged skin barrier. So I will walk you through my AM and PM routine. My morning skincare routine mainly focuses on the dark spots because when you have acne, obviously it leaves a dark spot. So my morning routine mainly focuses on my dark spots, and I have been seeing results. It has actually faded my dark spots. So in the morning, I use these 4 products. I first wash my face with the lukewarm water. I don't use cleanser in the morning because it damages my skin barrier. So if you need for your skin, you can. And then I go ahead with alpha arbutin. Alpha arbutin has done a great job in fading my dark spots. Like, it has been hardly 2 months and it has faded my dark spots so well. I highly recommend you if you have dark spots. And then I use my vitamin C. Alpha arbutin and vitamin C together, they work so well for your dark spots. It's a great match. Alpha arbutin and vitamin C for your dark spots. And then I use my Cerave PM moisturizer, which is great for AM or PM. It's great for oily skin. And then I go in with a generous amount of sunscreen, which is so important. Now I'll walk you through my nighttime routine. My nighttime routine mainly focuses on my acne, on my sebum production, and which actually help with my acne. At night, I double cleanse, and it's so important to double cleanse at night. Even if you're not wearing makeup, you are wearing your sunscreen, and so it's very important that you double cleanse. So for my nighttime routine, I first start with cleaning my face with a micellar water. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I am wearing sunscreen. So I first cleanse my face with a micellar water, and then I use one of my 2 face wash. So one has salicylic acid, which I use when I'm not using retinol on that night. Tonight I will use retinol, so I'm using a normal foaming cleanser. After nicely massaging my face for 1 or 2 minutes, I will then go in with my moisturizer. Because I'm using retinol, so I will first make sure that I moisturize my under eye with my moisturizer and my upper lips and corner of my nose, so that those areas don't get dry because of the retinol, and then gently spread the retinol all over my face. Remember, don't rub the retinol, you just have to slightly spread it on your face, and then layer another layer of moisturizer for extra protection and hydration. I've also started drinking this lemon water in the morning in my empty stomach. This has not helped directly with my acne, but has definitely helped in looking my skin more clear and healthy. I have also started eating more healthy because gut health is very important. Imbalance in the gut bacteria can lead to more inflammation and more acne. So the two main products that help me with my skin, my acne, is salicylic acid cleanser and retinaldehyde from the Ordinary. So if you have oily acne prone skin like me and you are new to skincare, I would highly recommend you to start with salicylic acid and retinol. These two products are great for oily acne prone skin and for fighting your acne. If you use a leave-on salicylic acid, it might be a bit irritating for you. So for starting, when you're starting your journey, you can start with a cleanser which has salicylic acid 2%. Because it will be on your skin for few minutes and then you will rinse it off, so there is least chances of irritation and dryness. And include retinol in your nighttime routine. These two are like superstar of my skincare routine. You don't have to buy a bunch of different products, you just go with these two. Now I would also like to add some do's and some don'ts. When you are just starting retinol at night, don't cleanse it with salicylic acid, because if it's your first time, these two might be irritating even though you will wash off the salicylic acid. But first few weeks I would suggest that use the salicylic acid cleanser in the morning if you wish to use a cleanser in the morning, and use retinol at night with a mild cleanser. Later, when your tolerance level increases, you can use a salicylic acid cleanser and then put retinol, which is totally fine when your skin is able to tolerate. Another don't I would suggest for retinol is that don't apply directly under your eye area, because it made my under eye really dry, and now I totally avoid it. I first use moisturizer and then I put retinol on all the parts of my skin except my eye area, and then I put moisturizer. If you want to target your dark spots, alpha arbutin is best. You won't believe that this is my first bottle and it has done so well in lightening my dark spot. This is my first bottle and I'm going to continuously purchase this product because it's great for dark spots. If you have active acne, you can use a benzoyl peroxide cleanser, which will actually kill the bacteria that is causing the acne and will help with getting rid of the acne really quick and effectively. So something like this is a benzoyl peroxide cleanser. One thing about benzoyl peroxide I would like to say, if you are just starting with benzoyl peroxide, don't use as a leave-on cream. First start with a cleanser because it's less irritating. Put the cleanser on your affected area or all over your face just for maximum 20 minutes and then rinse it off. I think I've given enough information now. I don't want to make this video too long. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notification whenever I post. At this point, I think I'm asking for too much. Okay, one thing I want to clear here, that I am not a dermatologist. I'm only telling you these things by my past research and personal experiences because I was suffering from acne a lot. But if you have any other confusion or query, you can comment down below. I will really appreciate it and love it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!